Good evening, cat lovers and kitten lovers around the world. This is Susan, and welcome again to Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. I have just realized in this moment that I have misled you. Didn't mean to, but Bob reminded me, the boss. We actually have a third generation from the original abandoned kitty that we called Baby Mama. Dewey is the kitten of Itchy Mcscratchy. This is Itchy Mcscratchy. And Itchy came from Baby Mama. And Itchy Mcscratchy had one litter before we were able to catch her. She had 4 gray kittens with white faces. She ran away. Oh, there's the stray orange boy. Hi, stray orange boy. I wish I could catch you and get you neutered. What do you guys think I should call the stray orange boy? How about you guys give me some ideas on names on this guy? He's pretty nice. Okay, but back to Itchy's story. She had the kittens, and she kept them, was keeping them. I can't believe I forgot this. Okay, out here, you'll notice at the past Tuffy Muffy there, at the end of the concrete, but before the asphalt, is a wooden ramp that my husband built for me across the little ditch there to get to the mailbox. And she kept taking her newborn kittens under there. It was springtime and raining. We kept putting them in a safe place, and she kept taking them back. She ended up taking them someplace where we couldn't find them. Then one day came the day that I have mentioned in passing that Dastardly Doolittle at 5:30 in the morning was mewling outside my back door, and his eyes were totally scaled over. So he got rescued and stays inside. Tommy Twotone is one of Itchy Mcscratchy's kitties. Gray and white. We have no idea what happened to the other 3 gray kitties. But I am so glad the boss reminded me of that, y'all. Because I told you wrong. So we actually, yes, have 3 generations. But everybody else came from Baby Mama, who passed away last year from unknown causes. So, anyway, y'all think about it, and there's the gray kitty that's supposed to live up the street, but doesn't. But this guy right here, he's a nice enough guy. So, if you guys have any ideas on names, let me know, okay? And I'm so glad the boss reminded me of the true story of Itchy Mcscratchy, Dastardly Doolittle, and Tommy Twotone. You guys, thanks for tuning in. Stray Orange Kitty, I'll tell you what. How about you tell the viewers, give a cat a chance, Mau Mau, give a cat a chance. Tell them thank you for watching. Tell them thank you for supporting Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction by viewing, liking, subscribing, and sharing everywhere they can to cat lovers all around the world. Okay. Bye-bye, Weebers.